What's the meaning of backhanded? Backhanded. Backhanded.
Backhanded. Backhanded. The term backhanded can be used to describe a comment or action that is indirect, insincere, or sarcastic in nature. It often involves a hidden agenda or ulterior motive, sometimes intended to insult or belittle the recipient. For example, a backhanded compliment might appear on the surface to be a compliment, but actually contains a subtle insult. Similarly, a backhanded apology may sound like an apology but actually place blame on the other person. The term can also refer to a type of tennis stroke where the racket is swung with the back of the hand facing the direction of the stroke. Overall, the use of a backhanded method can be seen as manipulative and lacking in genuine communication.